Hey girls! Sorry, bit short. So, if you're asking what I got for Christmas or Christmas party from the exchange gift or just for the Christmas party, because yesterday was our Christmas party and it was so good. I mean, exciting and fun because I managed to bring me game and they're all teasing me. So, going back to my exchange gift, so my uh, the one who picked me was my best friend Erin. So I love you, Erin. Thank you. And I'm going back here. So thank you, Erin. So gonna give it to you now. Nah, it was so cute. It was from the wish list. So the first one, a cute pink teddy bear. So she gave me it. So there, this. Oh, is it cute or what? Is it cute, right? With glitter eyes and a cute bow of blue magic amulet. We're so together. And it's blue magic, so see. And I want to give thanks. So our Christmas party has a sorry candle, wish candle, thank you candle. So sorry candle, Gabriel gave me, and was it? I forgot it. Kinda. I think Gabriel only. So yeah. And for the what do you call it? Stinky candle was I gave it to Cassandra. I was supposed to give it to John Paul, but I was so nervous because I like him, but not anymore. I give it to him. So John Paul gave me the thank you candle, Ellison, and who else? I forgot it. So thank you of those three precious boys who gave me, and Cassandra all gave me two. So for my friends, Gabriel wasn't here, but we're kinda close friends or just a little bit spark. I mean, kinda hot friends, like friends. So next gift. So we're going to big to small. So yeah. Next is from Jewel. She gave me this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gift. And the picture was from my camera 360 and it is my profile picture and Facebook. So that's here. So here. Aw, that's my beautiful face. And the music notes it says especially for you and thank you Jewel, and I preserve your gift wrap because I like to preserve gift wraps from memories. So yeah. So I'm gonna put it here. Next is this. It was from Ava, so it said, "In all your ways acknowledge him and shall direct your path." So I put many things about here. So first, so not that. My notebook of good thoughts and good memories. So yeah, December 19, just yesterday. The second page was this was I'm talking about, and the teddy bear named Simon Small, the cutest teddy bear I ever had. From the exchange gift, of course. A cute pink teddy bear. That's what I wish for. Just like how Taylor Swift song, how it's beautiful. And the gift of this very notebook. This very notebook. So I put hairpin to preserve and to secure it if I want to remove it. So yeah, not glue. And the gift wrap of my decorative board black card. So it's from Jewel, like I said from that one. So yeah, and more memories to come. So yeah, and one more. So just wait. Oh, where is it? Where is it? And this little cute pen. So it's an angel, and her little thing here is brown. I don't know why. It's supposed to be yellow, but her hair is yellow. That's why I redo it. So yeah, and I like the feather wings, and like that. So yeah, pretty much of it, but kinda. And my whole set of gifts. So I'm not bragging, so I I will have more gifts. So this is part one actually. So we're gonna buy a lot of things in this December. So it's Christmas vacation and I really miss my classmates. And more makeup tutorials to come, and if the new makeup tutorial season is Christmas holiday makeup. So yeah, if I remember, you don't view my simple makeup, so yeah, I'm really not bad with that. So if you comment good thoughts, have you will get a reward. So yeah, it is to give a shout out in my vlog. So pretty much of it. And for this closing, Joppa gave this to me. So yeah, thank you, Joppa. And he's my friend. I mean best friend. So bye. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. These are only two decorations. So cute for them. So yeah. Merry Christmas for this time. So yeah.